Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that gold USD is not giving us any clear signal, any clear picture for the last couple of hours since the market opening on Monday. And you can see that gold USD is still lying flat at the 1750 support. So before I proceed, I would like to tell you that, my dear friends, there are many things that we need to understand on the chart of gold USD. So do not lose patience, watch the video carefully. Okay, so first and foremost, we would like to know about the chart of DXY US dollar. As we all know, US dollar has got huge impact on the market. When dollar goes up, gold goes down, the price of gold goes down, and when dollar goes down, the price of gold goes up. And right now you can see that dollar is also kind of flat here, and no need to say about the chart of gold here. Gold is lying flat here. So what should be a strategy? First of all, we must understand what is going on in the chart of DXY US dollar. As you can see that dollar is still in uptrend, with the trend line working as support. Apart from the trend line, we also have got support at 93.20 level, and on the other hand we have got resistance at 93.50 to 93. This is the resistance zone for the market US dollar. But what we need to observe here is that US dollar is just standing at the resistance and it is not going down. And if you just observe these last 5-6 candles, then you can see that there is also not much buying power also. Okay, market is standing in resistance, not coming down. Even we do not see any kind of buying power or selling power, but market is kind of flat. Market is kind of flat here. And if you just observe the chart here, or if you just observe this portion of the US dollar here, then it looks like an ascending triangle pattern. And generally in ascending triangle pattern, we see market giving a breakout towards the upside. In generally in ascending triangle pattern, we have a resistance like this, and whenever market goes down, it forms lower highs. So here also this is a good example of ascending triangle pattern, and there is a good possibility of market giving us a breakout towards the upside. And on the downside also, we also have another possibility of US dollar surrendering itself and a good sell off, or in simple words, US dollar breaking down. Okay, breaking down with huge selling pressure. So right now US dollar is in a very tough situation. We do not have any clear picture about the US dollar. There are two possibilities here for the US dollar. First of all, dollar going up, dollar giving us a breakout, okay, right here, crossing this level. On the other hand, US dollar giving us a breakout towards the downside, breaking this support level. Right now we cannot say anything because we do not have the proper volatility in the market. As we all know, volatility is essential. If the market doesn't move, how you'll get the picture of where the market will be moving? So if there is no volatility in the market, it is very hard for us to tell in which direction market will be moving. So my dear friends, keep your eyes on the chart of DXY US dollar, because dollar may be going up or down. Whatever it is, we can expect a huge move. Okay. On the other hand, if you jump to the chart of gold USD, then we can see that things have not changed much here. Things have not changed much. 1740 to 50. This level is still acting as a strong support for the market, and 1780 to 1790 is still acting as a strong resistance for the market. And you can see that the market has been lying flat at the support for the last couple of hours. So whenever we see a scenario like this, it clearly signifies that right now buyers does not have the power, the buyers does not have the strength to take the price upward. Generally, we all know that whenever market reaches a support level, it bounces. But if a market is not bouncing or going up after reaching the support level, it clearly signifies, or it clearly tells us that the buyers who are present in the market does not have the capacity, the strength, the power to take the price upward. And this is also happening with the case of gold here. Buyers are standing here, buyers are, but they cannot have, they cannot take the price upward. They do not have the capacity. So wait for the US dollar to move. So if US dollar gives us a breakout towards the upside, then definitely gold will break the support here and gold will be going down. On the other hand, if the buyers on the US dollar surrenders and dollar starts going down, then definitely gold USD will be going up from here. Right now, we do not, it is in a very crucial position, but what we need is the volatility, the movement in the market right now. So let's wait for a couple of hours. Hopefully we will get some movement in the next few hours. And if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, this is a forex sentiment meter, my dear friends, can see that 25% retail traders have taken short position and 74% retail traders have taken long position on gold. As we all know, more than 90% retail traders lose money. So retail traders are mostly thinking that gold will be going up. So therefore there is a good possibility of gold going down. And if gold going down means dollar will be going up. Dollar will be breaking this resistance level. So whatever, my dear friends, do not initiate any position right now. Just wait for the perfect opportunity. Just keep your eyes on the chart of gold as well as the dollar index, because this is extremely essential, because this is your hard-earned money, so you should not be taking any risk right here. So hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And my dear friends, recently I have launched the Pro Trader membership program, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested in the Pro Trader program, just go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You will get all the necessary information, what the group is all about, what I do, and all. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow again.